Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create developer edition org in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply you will need just to go to the developer Salesforce, or you can just search for it here. So just type Salesforce developer in your web browser and just type Salesforce developer, and then you will need just to go to Salesforce developer. From here, it will take you to another Salesforce portal. And as you can see in the URL, it is developer.salesforce.com. And then you would need just to go and sign up for it. And as you can see, you can start seeing all the features, etc. And then you can browse the trials. So here you can be able to see all the informations about the Salesforce or the developers organization of Salesforce, and from there you can just sign up and click on sign up, and then you will need just to fill in all your informations. So after that you will need just to click on sign up and add your username and create your password, and then they will send you an email or an activation email in your inbox, and then you will be able to access to your Salesforce developer organization. So basically it is similar to a professional or enterprise uh, org, but it has more features of development, and you can add, create your own applications, etc., etc. So simply, this is how you can do it. Just go to the Salesforce or developer Salesforce, create your account, and log in into your organization, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.